I have failed. I failed. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be kicking off 2025 with my Make 9 plans. In the past, I have failed. I failed. I only made 3 to 5 of my Make 9 patterns, and this year is going to be very, very different. I've already kind of planned ahead my dates for each project, but not what the project will be. I wanted to keep it fun and exciting so that I don't get bored with it. I needed some flexibility and room to move around or just do me. Instead of focusing on specific patterns, I decided to select garment categories instead. This way I can keep things flexible, I can let my inspiration take over, and I can kind of tailor my wardrobe to my needs, my skills, or even just choose patterns that focus on a skill I want to work on at that moment. The way that I choose these patterns will also be different. This year, I plan to let you all choose the pattern that I sew up for my Make 9 board. I've created a wheel with the 9 categories that I'll be using for my Make 9 board. That way, it can pick a random category. Once the category is chosen, I will make a community post with 3 pattern choices for you to choose from. The one with the most votes is the pattern that I will sew. So make sure that you look out for those community posts, or you go to my channel and click on the community tab so that you can see what patterns are up to vote on. So stick around as I walk you through each of my Make 9 garment categories, and hopefully I will inspire you to create your own Make 9 board for 2025. Let's dive in. Now let's jump into the first category, which is casual tops. This is all about creating those go-to pieces you can throw on any day, whether it's a comfy t-shirt, a breezy tank, or a classic blouse. Next up is a very basic wardrobe essential: bottoms, pants, skirts, shorts, capris, things like that. So I'm thinking classic skirts and maybe a couple of capris. Now let's talk about outerwear, the kind of pieces that make a statement while keeping you cozy. Now when I think of outerwear, I think of things like blazers, lightweight jackets, or even fun shackets. Shackets have been the rave, and I just have not gotten into it. So maybe it's a pattern that I'll throw out there. Moving on to dresses. Now I love how versatile dresses can be, whether it's something fun and casual or something formal or special occasion, or something with pockets, because you know we all love our pockets. Now who doesn't love cozy sewing projects? For loungewear, I'm planning pieces like comfy joggers, a relaxed sweatshirt, or even a matching pajama set, or even a robe. These are perfect for sewing days at home when you just want to be comfortable doing what you love to do most. Now this year, I'm also challenging myself to sew some activewear, things like leggings, sports bras, or workout top pieces that are functional but still stylish. Next, I've added accessories to my Make 9. Things like tote bags, purses, handbags, bucket hats, berets, scarves. These are the things that I think of when I think of accessories. Now for my statement piece, I want to create something bold and unforgettable. Maybe a jumpsuit with dramatic details or a structured cape dress. This is where I can really push my creativity and step outside my comfort zone. Finally, my wild card category. This is all about stepping out of my comfort zone once again. Maybe trying something like a corset top, a quilted jacket, or even a technique I've never used. It is the perfect way for me to grow as a sewist. Now with that said, we are going to go over to the wheel and see what our first category for our Make 9 garment will be. All right, so the wheel has spoken. Our first category will be accessories. Right, so there will be a community post up on Monday for you to choose the pattern that I make for the accessories category. The poll will run for 1 week, and then I will announce the pattern that is chosen and when you can expect to see the finished project. Now, I would love to hear from you. Are you planning to make a Make 9 board? If so, what categories or projects do you plan to sew? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my sewing projects. I'll be sharing updates on my Make 9 throughout the year, so stay tuned for progress videos. Until next time, keep sewing.